What's up, guys? So I figured I'd do a little bit of a vlog since I haven't uploaded in several days, and just kind of talk about what's going on the farm and what we plan on doing this year and whatnot. So essentially, this is where the new coop's going to be. It's going to be 12 by 24. It's going to have egg boxes right here and a door to go in and a door to go to the pasture. And then on this side is where we'll actually like hatch chicks, raise baby chicks, and then there'll be some chicken wire blocking the chickens from getting to there, and then we'll have their roosting area, and it should be pretty cool. Our old coops are just kind of shot. We're gonna reclaim the wood off of both of these right here.
I should do a mural on the side.
You could.
Paint flowers.
That's a plan. The main thing is I just gotta make sure I have enough of the wood, because the bottom of the wood rotted on a lot of it, and then like as you get to the front, the wood's shorter, so I got to pull all the wood off, cut the bottoms off, and make sure it's still solid. Then we're going to take the same paint that we used for the porch and paint it red and kind of make it semi-matched. Then we have these three little guys who are still growing, not even feathered yet, and we're going to raise more. We're going to try hatching 21 more eggs soon. We're going to keep doing that until we have about 100 chickens. That is the plan. On the car front, we got the body kit on, and next is going to be putting the wrap on, which is way back over there laying on the tractor. We're going to find a place to store all the leftover parts that came off of the car. Before we can start wrapping this thing, we have to basically pull everything that we put on it back off, prep the car, get it sanded, and then we've got some stuff that I ordered that's supposed to help wrap adhering to new plastics and whatnot. In this box right here, we have the valve cover gasket, so we can pull the valve covers off and paint those, and we'll start getting some of the engine bay stuff cleaned up. So that is kind of the plan for the car, but it's kind of a massive undertaking. I haven't honestly felt like doing any of it because I've just been binge watching Netflix this week, but whenever I do finally get around to wanting to do it, that's kind of the plan with the car.
Like, what parts do you have to take off?
Everything I put on it, basically. So I'm gonna have to pull the wide body off of it. I'm gonna have to pull the entire body kit off of it, which is both bumpers, because I wanted to see it in black. Yeah. And I think it's kind of cool, like the way that it sits and everything. But the final product is gonna be with the red metallic vinyl on it, which is why we did the red trim. It's just it's such a lot of work. Like, there's all these little tiny dents that need to come out, because once...
I was gonna say, I'm guessing you have to fix like the scuffs and stuff on the side.
Yeah, because it'll show through the vinyl wrap. So
does the wrap go over the trim around the windows or whatever you call it?
No, that's a whole other thing that I have to figure out. Like, I'm gonna have to probably sand that and then actually repaint it. There was something cool that I saw not too long ago that's actually it's just like a vinyl sticker, and you can buy like whatever image that you want, which would be kind of neat. So beyond that, there's a lot of other things that I could do. I could refinish the driveway, which you buy like this black tar, and then you clean the entire driveway, and then you re-tar it, and it would look amazing.
It would be very satisfying to skateboard on after.
It would be. So it's definitely something to do maybe this year. We'll see how that all works out. And then far off in the distance is our raised planters. We need to kind of like get some things planted.
Oh my gosh, there's stuff growing in here. Wait, can I lift it up?
Oh wow.
Oh my gosh.
That's crazy. That's actually really cool.
Oh my gosh, this stuff is really good to have in the yard too.
That's so wild. Like, she's been acting as like a
greenhouse.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That's so cool.
Oh my gosh.
All right, let's mow it down.
Gosh, no. It's so awesome.
It
Mom
is pretty cool.
We're just talking about how we don't have much of this in the yard right now, too. Like this year.
You're like, I'm going to destroy the biggest piece of it. That's cool. You gonna take it in and show her? With all the wind and the rain and the weather going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth, it's been impossible to keep this place like normal. But it's almost time to set the chairs back up and start a fire and roast some marshmallows, and that's my favorite part of the season. Yay. I can't wait for our wisteria to start growing. Like, I didn't realize it took so long for wisteria to actually grow.
Y'all said it would grow within a couple months, and I was like, there's no way that's gonna happen.
Yeah, I mean, it grew from...
Holy moly,
it grew from just being...
twisted. That's so cool.
It was...
Look at the way it twisted.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I want the vision was basically for this whole thing to be covered with wisteria eventually, because these vines will just grow and grow and grow. Well,
For some reason.
I mean, for 1 year, I guess if you just like, if you think about the growth of it for the 1 year,
Cat.
if it does that much again, then we'll be wrapping it back around
Yeah.
to start going this way. But the way that I understand it, once I started looking into it, it takes several years before it actually starts to make the cool little dangly wisteria stuff. Yeah. Another thing that I'm working on is I've got a video idea for these empty ETBs because there are a lot of them, and it's going to be a fun thing. I don't know how much of it I really want to reveal yet, but the plan is to actually take these and build something with them because there's just so many of them. As soon as I can get outside and actually start doing this video, I'm going to jump on it. So that'll probably be sometime in the next month. Alright, it's lunchtime, and I felt like eating some wings, and normally I'd like them fried hard, but I don't feel like dealing with the grease and everything, so I figured I'll just bake them and then broil them at the last minute so that they get a little bit of a crispy texture to them. Got our favorite sauces here, and we're going to go ahead and sauce them up. Alright, we get everything sauced up. So we've got the spicy garlic, mango habanero, medium, and some citrus zest black pepper right here. Should be delicious. So basically I buy 3 pounds of wings from Sam's Club, and then I just bake them for like an hour. You just kind of bake them in a little bit extra long, give them a little bit more crisp, get them a little bit closer to that fried hard feeling. Of course, you're never going to get there without actually putting them in grease. But so yeah, I'm going to enjoy those. And then I found Initial D on Blu-ray. If you guys watch Initial D at all, then you'll know that you can't watch anywhere streaming anymore. It's not even on Crunchyroll. So I had to go out and look for it, and I found it. My copy came in. I don't know 100% if my Blu-ray player is going to be able to play it or not, but we're going to try it anyways, so that I could binge watch this whole thing. We've been binge watching One Piece. It's been fantastic. We're up to like episode, I think, 320-ish. It's getting really, really good. And then also, while I'm here, the ceramic trim coat. So I went on the internet searching for ways to help adhere vinyl wrap to your car, especially for like new body pieces and whatnot. And somebody recommended applying this first instead of like doing like a full clear coat. We're gonna give that a shot at some point. It's gonna take a little bit of time before I actually get to that, I believe, but we'll see how that goes. So I'm gonna go enjoy these wings, and I hope you guys have a good rest of the day. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned. Take care.
Okay. Hello. Holy moly. What is it? Oh, okay. Hi. Hello? Oh my god.
What is that? It's like cat heaven.